Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12. Today, we're exploring an innovative frontier in the education sector, how blockchain technology is securing skills and credentials for tomorrow's learners. Blockchain, often associated with cryptocurrencies, is making significant waves across various industries, including education, where it promises to transform how skills and credentials are managed and verified. Let's delve into how blockchain technology is revolutionizing the education landscape. Secure and immutable records. Blockchain offers a decentralized and secure way to store educational records and credentials. Once a credential is recorded on the blockchain, it is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or tampered with, providing a high level of trust and authenticity. Streamlined credential verification. Blockchain allows for real-time verification of credentials, making it easier for employers to verify the qualifications of prospective employees and for educational institutions to validate credit transfers. Increased accessibility and ownership. Learners can have complete control over their educational records, accessing and sharing their credentials seamlessly across the globe, breaking down geographical barriers to education and employment. By ensuring secure, transparent, and readily accessible records, blockchain is poised to enhance the credibility and portability of educational achievements. Several leading institutions and platforms are already harnessing the power of blockchain to innovate and enhance educational offerings. These initiatives are showing promising results, such as reducing administrative burdens, simplifying processes like degree verification, and supporting lifelong learning by storing diverse educational experiences on a single platform. Imagine a world where your entire educational journey, from online courses to professional certifications, is neatly stored and easily accessible from your own digital wallet. Blockchain technology is still evolving, yet its potential to revolutionize education is boundless. Its future lies in further embedding security and transparency into the very fabric of educational processes. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the demand for secure, verifiable, and portable credentials will grow. Blockchain stands at the forefront of meeting these demands, driving educational trust and innovation forward. Stay ahead of the curve and join us in exploring the transformative effects of technology on education. Subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more insights and be part of the educational revolution.